The combined the price of 14 pence and 18 scales and 22 pencils is 574, whereas the combined price of 13 pence, 9 scales and 5 pencils is how much? 236. What is the question here? Combine the price of 1 pen, 1 scale and 1 penciler. And 14 pence and 13 pence both are adding 27. 18 scales and 9 scales both are adding 27. 22 pencils and 5 pencils, 27 pencils are not. Total left hand side each one 27, 27, 27 are not. Left hand side values are adding means right hand side values also adding. 574 plus 236, total it is 810 or not? Yes or no? 810, that is equal to left hand side 27 times of pen plus square plus pencil or not? Means divide by how much? 27. 810 by divide by 27, we are getting how much? 30. The 30 will be sum of the 1 pencil, 1 scale plus 1 pen value or not? What is the answer? 30. Next question number 52. The radius of the base of a cylinder and that of a sphere are equal to which one? 4.2 centimeters. If their volumes are equal, then what is the total surface area of the cylinder? Total surface area of a cylinder means 2 pi r into r plus h, h plus r plus h. Pi means 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. 2 plus 8 plus 2, 12. 5 plus 7, 12. 11 multiple. Next second option 2 plus 8 plus 2, 5 plus 6. No. Third option? No. Fourth option? No. Then answer first option or not? It is 11 multiple. Next question number 53. Balu traveled x plus 20 kilometers at a speed of which one? 10 kilometer per hour. X kilometers at a speed of 20 kilometer per hour and x minus 10 kilometers at a speed of 15 kilometer per hour. If average speed for the whole journey is how much? 13 kilometer per hour. Find the value of x or not? Okay. First, what is the first time distance? X plus 20. Second time distance x. Third time distance x minus 10. All these are adding, we are get the total distance or not? What is the total distance? 3x plus 10 or minus 10? Plus 10. It is total distance or not? Total distance, it is equal to total speed into total time or not? Total speed into total time. Total speed means average speed or not? What is the average speed value you are given? 13. That is equal to 13 into, again we required total time or not? Total time means first x plus 20 kilometers time, next x kilometers time, next x minus 10 kilometers time or not? X plus 20 kilometers time means we written x plus 20 by 10 or not? It is time in first x plus 20 kilometers plus what is the time in second one? X by 20 or not? What is the time in third one? X minus 10 by 15 or not? Okay. Then right hand side value speed into time, left hand side value distance or not? Both are in equal or different? Equal. First simplify this one, we are get the x value, or verify the options, it is also possible or not? Okay. And what is the first option? 40. Left hand side 3 into 40 plus 10 or not? How much? 130 or not? That is divisible by 13 or not? Yes or no? Second option 30. 3 into 30, 90 plus 10, 100. It is divisible by 13? No. Next, third option 50. 3 into 50, 150 plus 10, 160. It is divisible by 13? No. Fourth option 60. 60 into 3, 180 plus 10, 190. It is divisible by 13? No. Then answer x value must be 40 or not? Okay. Next question number 54. A certain sum when invested R% per annum compound interest compounded annually for 2 years increased by 32.25%. Nothing but it is 2 years interest or only 1 year interest? 2 years interest. What are the last 3 digits? 2.25. It is which one square? 15 square or not? Means rate of percent are 15% or not? 15%, 15%, 2 years means A plus B plus AB by 100 or not? 15 plus 15, 30. 15 into 15 by 100, 2.25. Yes or no? What is the 2 years compound interest? A plus B plus AB by 100. That is equal to how much? 32.25%. Means A must be how much? 15. B also 15. Then rate of interest per annum is how much percent? 15%. Per annum rate of percent is how much? 15%. Next, if the same sum is invested at simple interest at R% per annum, means second time also rate of percent 15% or not? And sum also same or different? Same. In how many years the sum will become 7 times of itself or not? Suppose the principal I return 100% or not? Principal are 100%. It will become how many times? 7 times. Means amount are 700% or not? Then interest is how much percent? 600% or not? 600%. What is the per annum interest? 15%. But we required how many years or not? What is the total interest? 600%. Per annum 15% interest. Then 600% is received in how many years? 40 years or not? Total interest by per annum interest or not? 600 by 15. We are getting how many years? 40 years or not? Yes or no? What is the total interest? 600%. Every year 15% are getting. How much time are taken? 40 years. Question number 55. A flagstaff stands on the top of a 12 meters high tower from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff is 60 degrees. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is how much? 45 degrees. Find the height of the flagstaff. And here, the first one angle are given 45 or not? Next, and one more flagstaff. What is the second time angle? 60 or not? Means this total angle is how many degrees? 60 degrees or not? A, B, C, D or not? And here BC is the which one? And here BC is the height of the tower or not? BC is the 12 meters high tower from a point on the ground. Means BC is the height of the tower. It is how many meters? 12 meters or not? What is the question here? Find the height of the flagstaff or not? Find the height of the flagstaff. Means we required AB value or BC value? AB value or not? And already height of the tower is 12 meters. From point B to point A, it is height of the which one? Flagstaff or not? Okay. And here triangle BCD. What is the triangle BCD? Triangle BCD, it is equal to tan 45. Tan 45, it is equal to which one? BC by CD. BC value is how much? 12 by CD. Tan 45 means 1. Means CD also how much value? 12 or not? Okay. Means CD is how much? 12. Again, triangle ACD or not? Triangle ACD. What is the value here? Tan 60 or tan 45? Tan 60. That is equal to, we return AB plus BC by which one? CD or not? AB plus BC by CD. What is the tan 60 value? Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Nothing but root 3 or not? Then root 3, it is equal to, what is the AB value? We don't know. But BC value 12. CD value also 12. Then AB equal to, we return 12 into root 3 minus 1 or plus 1? Minus 1 or not? Root 3 means 1.7 minus 1 means it is 0.7 or not? 12 into which one? 0.7. 12 7 is how much? 84 or not? 8.4 something. 8.4 something means all the options are 8.4 something or not? What is the root 3 value? 1.731 minus 1 or not? Root 3 minus 1 means 1.731 minus 1. What is the remaining value? 0.731. It is multiplied by how many times? 12 times or not? 12 ones are how much? 12. 12 threes are 36. Plus 2 means 38. 8 return 3 carry. 12 sevens are 84. 84 plus 3. 87 means 8.782 or not? What is the nearest value? 8.78. Which option? Second option or not? Next, question number 56. Question number 56. Ramesh bought 25 liters of milk P at x plus 5 liters, x plus 5 per liter, and x minus 5 liters of milk Q at 15 rupees per liter. The average cost price of each liter of the mixture of milk P and Q is 21.25. And what is the value of x? And first one quantity is how many liters? 25 liters. Or the per liter cost? X plus 5, 25 into x plus 5. It is total cost of how many liters? 25 liters. Next, second one is how many liters? X minus 5 liters. X minus 5 liters. What is the second one per liter value? 15 multiplied by 15. These two are adding. We are get the total cost of 25 liters plus x minus 5 liters. Okay. These two are adding. We are get the total cost or total selling? Total cost. But total mixture is how many liters? 25 liters plus x minus 5 or not? Total it is x plus 20 or x minus 20? X plus 20 or not? The same x plus 20 liters mixture is sold at how many rupees? 21.25 or not? 21.25. But here average cost are given or average selling price? Average cost. What is the total mixture? X plus 20 liters. And what is the per liter cost? 21.25. 21.25 double is how much? 42.5 or not? Again double 85 or not? This one we written 85 by 4 or not? What is the left hand side? Total cost. Right hand side also total cost. Both are in equal or different? Equal. First 5 how many times 25? 5 times. 5 how many times 15? 3 times. 5 how many times 85? 17 times or not? Okay. Left hand side 5x plus 3x. Total it is 8x or not? And the right hand side denominator 4. It will become into 4 or not? 8 4 is how much? 32x or not? Out of 32x, right hand side 17x or not? What is the difference? 15x or not? Next, again left hand side 5 5 is how much? 25. 5 3 is 15. Difference is plus 10. Plus 10 into right hand side denominator 4. 4 10 is 40 or not? Next, again right hand side 17 into 20. 340. 340 and 40. Difference is 300 or not? 15x equal to 300. Then x equal to how much? 20 or not? Next question number 57. A train running at 60 km per hour takes 30 seconds to passes a platform. Next, it takes 10 seconds to passes a man walking at 3 km per hour in the opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. What is the length of the platform? First of all, train passes a platform means total distance are train length plus platform length. Train length plus platform length. Second case, the same train passes a man. When a train passes a man means total distance are only train length. Okay. First numerator is first case distance. Denominator is second case distance. Distance equal to written speed into time. Speed into time. What is the speed in first case? 60. Time 30 seconds. What is the second case speed? Sum of these speeds or difference of these speeds? Sum of these speeds. Relative speed in opposite direction, sum of these speeds. One is 60, another one 3. 60 plus 3, 63. In how many seconds are passes? 10 seconds. Okay. 0 0 cancel. 3 how many times? 21. 3 how many times? 20. 3 again 7 times, sir. Means train length is how many parts? 7 parts. Train length plus platform length 20 parts. Means platform length are 13 parts, sir. What is the question here? What is the length of the platform? Means answer must be multiple of 13. Platform length how many parts? 13 parts. Then we require 13 parts value. First option 13 multiple. No. Second option S 13 to the 26 remaining 65. It is 13 multiple. And third option 13 multiple. No. Fourth option. No. Then answer 325. It must be multiple of 13. Next question number 58. Anyone need 58 question? What is the ratio of the total number of persons who spent more than 100 rupees but less than 400 to the total number of persons who spent 250 or more than 100? Okay. More than 100 rupees but less than 400. More than 100 means after 100 to which one? 1900. Okay. 15 plus 19, 34. 34 plus 16, 50. 22 plus 28, 50. 50 plus 50 plus 50, 100 plus 19, 900. Next, who spent 250 or more? 250 or more means 250 or more means from 16 to which one? 22. 22 plus 28, 50. 16 plus 19, 35. Total it is 85. 17 multiples. 17 sevens are 17 fives are. What is the ratio? 7:5. Next question number 59. The base radius of a cone is how much? 28 centimeters and slant height is how much? 100 centimeters. What is the question here? Find its volume. What is the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h r. Then answer must be multiple of 11. First option 11 multiple. No. Second option. No. Third option. No. Fourth option. Yes. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 8 plus 4, 12. What is the difference between 12 and 23? 11. Means answer is fourth option. Next question number 60. What are the last two values? 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8 are not. How much? 1. Next. Second one, 405 divided by which one? 45. Almost 9 times or not. 33 1 by 3% means 1 by 3 or not. 1 by 3 of which one? 27 means 9 or not. 9 plus 9, 18. These two values sum is how much? 18 minus 9 into which one? 7 3 by 8. 9 into 7 3 by 8 means 59 by 8 into 14 for the 56 plus 3, 59 means we return 4 by 59 multiplied by 6 are 59 59 cancel 4 6 are 24 are 8 almost 3 times are 9 3 is how much? 27. 18 minus 27 minus 9 minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. 10 minus half minus 8 plus 8 are total answer 18 are. Next 61. A work is to be completed in how many days? 46 days, and 117 men were set to work, each working 8 hours in a day. After 33 days, 4 by 7th of the work is completed. Means 117%, 33 days are working. How much work are completed? 4 by 7. Means out of 7 parts, 4 parts is completed or not? What is the remaining work? 3 by 7 or 3 parts or not? Out of 7, 4 complete. What is the remaining? 3 parts. And how many additional men may be employed so that work may be completed in time? What is the actual time? 46 days. In that already 33 days completed. What is the remaining? 13 days are out of 46, 33 days are completed. What is the remaining? 13 days. In that 13 days, remaining work must be completed in remaining time or total time? Remaining time or okay. And what is the question here? How many additional men may be employed? Already workers 117. Again we are adding some more workers. Okay. First 33 days, how many workers are working? 117. 117 persons 33 days are working. Per day how many hours are working? 8 hours are multiplied by 8. How many parts of work is completed? 4 parts. Second time 117 plus some persons are working or not? Those are working on it for how many days? 23 days or not? Every day how many sorry, only 13 days. Out of 46, 33 complete. What is the remaining? 13 days. Per day how many hours are working? 9 hours or not? Those are completed how many parts of work? 3 parts or not? Simply we return m1 d1 t1 by m2 d2 d2. It is equal to work 1 by work 2 or not? First 39 the denominator, 117. Numerator also 117 cancel or not? 4 how many times? 8. 2 times or not? 33 into 2, 66 into 3, 190, 198. Then m equal to 198 minus how much? 117. What is the answer? 81. Next question number 62. Suresh spent 20% of his monthly income on rent, 55% of the remaining on food, 40% of the remaining after spending on rent and food, on clubbing, and saves the rest. If his annual savings is how much? 54,432. Then find the amount spent on food monthly. Suppose monthly salary we are consider 100%. In that first time 20% are spending. What is the remaining? 80%. In that food how much percent? 55%. What is the 55% of 80%? 44. Means food how much percent are spending? 44. Out of 80, 55% means 44. 80 minus 44. What is the remaining? 36%. In that 36%, 40% are spending on 40% of the remaining after spending on rent and food, and save the which one? Rest. Okay. Means out of 80, 44 completed. What is the remaining? 36. In that how much percent are spending? 40%. What is the remaining? 60%. Yes or no? Remaining is how much? 60% of which one? 36%. Remaining is 60% of 36%. 60% of 36% means it is 21.6%. That is savings. That is savings. But monthly savings or annual savings? Monthly savings. But here annual savings are given. Then annual savings means it is equal to 54,432 divided by 12. Divide by 12 we are get the monthly savings, that is equal to how much? 21.6%. But we required food value or not? Food how much percent are spending? 44% or not? 44%. 44 it is 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. Yes. Second option. Yes. Second option also 11 multiple or not? Two options are only one. Two options. Okay. And if we are verify the 3 multiple, again 2 options are possible. 9 plus 2 plus 4, 15. 4 plus 6 plus 2, it is also 3 multiple. 12 how many times here? 544. 12 how many times? 4 times. What is the remaining? 64. 5 times. Again 43. 3 times. 6 times. Okay. Next 216. 216 how many times? 2 times. 432 completed. What is the remaining? 21. 1 time or not? Yes or no? It is 210 or not? 44 into 210. 44 into 210 means 8800 plus 440. It is 9240. 9240. Or else 21 is 210, it is 7 multiple. First option 7 multiple, but second option it is also 7 multiple. Yes or no? Then answer 9240. Next question number 63. X minus 56 by x, it is equal to how much? 10. X is greater than 0. 56 means it is 7 multiple, 8 multiple, 14 multiple also or not? Yes or no? Then substitute the x value 14 or not? (14 minus 56 by 14). What is the 56 by 14? 4. 14 minus 4. 10 or 100. What is the 14 cube? 2744 minus 2744 by 44 means we are getting 1. Then answer 2744 minus 1. 2743 or not? Next question number 64. Volume of a square pyramid is how much? 1568 centimeter cube, and its height is given how much? 24 centimeters. Find its lateral surface area. Volume. What is the volume formula? A square by 3 into h. A square by 3 into height. Base area into height or not? Next, it is volume value and lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, it is equal to 2a into L. 2a into L. L means slant height. Again, L value written square root of a square by 4 plus h square. A square by 4 plus h square. First of all, volume of a square pyramid is given how much? 1568. That is equal to 1568. A square by 3 into, what is the height value? 24. That is equal to how much? 1568. 3 almost how many times? 8 times or not? 8 ones are how much? 8. What is the remaining? 7. 76 means 9 times 6 times or not? Then a equal to how much value? 14 or not? A value 14. But we require lateral surface area means definitely we know the side value and slant height also required. Substitute the side value and height value in slant height. We are get the L value. That is equal to square root of, what is the A value? 14. What is the 14 square? 196 by 4 plus h square. What is the h value? 24. 24 means 576 or not? 196 by 4 means 49. 49 plus 576, 625. 625. Which one square? 25. Then L equal to how much? 25 or not? But we required lateral surface area means we return 2a into L. 2 into, what is the a value? 14 into how much? 25. 25 2s are 50 into 14 means 700. Next question number 65. What is the difference between the women population in city A and D together and children population in city E and A together? Okay. Women population in city A and D together. What is the women value in city A? 30% of which one? 36,500. Next, in D, out of 37,800, 50%. Next, children population in city E and A together. First, we need to identify the women population. 30% of which one? 36,500. 30%. What is the 10%? 3650. 30%, 3 times or not? How much? 10950. Next, 50% of which one? 37,800. It is 18900. These two are adding. We are getting 850, 2900, 29,850. Those are in women population in city A and D together. Again, children population of city E. Out of 43,500, children is how much percent? 10%. What is the 10%? 4350. In A, out of 36,500, children is how much percent? 22%. 22%. What is the 10%? 3650. 20%? 7,300. Next 2%? 730. Total it is 8030. These two are adding 80 and 120, 300. 12380. But we require difference or sum? Difference. 150 minus 80, end with 70. Next 7 minus 3, 4, end with 470. Only one option. Only one option. Next question number 66. Y equal to, next one, if y equal to square root of 12 plus 4th 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 root of 12 plus so on. What is the question here? Find the value of y cube. First, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means we are getting y square. It is equal to 12 plus 4y or not. In place of this portion, we return y value. Yes or no? Squaring on both sides, first of all, y square equal to how much? 12 plus 4 root so on. Okay. In place of this value, already we know y. Then we return y square equal to 12 plus 4y. Simplify the quadratic equation, we are get the y value. Or verify the y value 6. What is the 6 square? 36. Left hand side 36. Right hand side 12 plus 24. Same or means y must be 6. What is the question here? Y cube. What is the answer? 216. Either simplify the quadratic equation or substitute the y value 6. Next question number 67. A merchant buys 30 dozens of eggs at 48 rupees per dozen. He recovers his total cost price after the sale of 24 dozen of eggs. What is the actually how many dozens are purchased? 30 dozens. He recovers his total cost price after the sale of 24 dozens. Means remaining 6 dozens are profit or not? Yes or no? And if we sell the remaining 6 dozens of eggs at the cost price, irrespective of cost price, obviously remaining 6 dozens are profit or loss? Profit or not? Okay. How many are purchased? 30. How many are profit? 6. Then 6 upon 30 multiplied by 100. And one more point, 6 dozens, 30 dozens or not? 6 by 30 means 1 by 5 or not? What is the percentage? 20% profit or not? Next question number 68. A shopkeeper makes a profit of 28% after giving 2 successive discounts of 20% on market price. The market price is what percent above the which one? Selling price of the article. Suppose market price we are consider how much percent? 100% or not? In that first time discount 20%. 2 successive discounts are only one. 2 successive discount. First time 20% discount means after discount 80%. Second time also 20% discount. What is the 20% of 80? 16. What is the remaining? 64 or not? That 64 is final selling price or not? Yes or no? What is the question here? The market price is what percent above the selling price of the article? Okay. Market price is how much? 100. Selling price are 64. How much value or more? 36 more or not? 36 upon which one? 64 multiplied by 100. We required only percentage difference or not? If you required value difference, then 64% value equal to 128, then 100% value 200. Again calculation same or different? Same. 4 how many times? 9. 4 how many times? 1600. Already we know 1 by 16 value. What is the 1 by 16 value? 6 1 by 4%. How many times we need? 9 times. 9 6 are 54. 9 into 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4. Total answer 56 1 by 4. Next 69. Which of the following numbers is divisible by which one? 21. What is the divisibility rule of 21? 3 and 7. Okay, it must be divisible by 3 and it must be divisible by 7. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits are divisible by 3. First option, sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Okay, second option, yes. Third option, yes. Fourth option, yes or not? All the options are divisible by 3. Next, again, it is must be divisible by which one? 7. Okay, first option divisible by 7. What is the last two digits in second option? 358. In that units position, 8. 358 minus 8. 350. It is 7 multiple. Next, 187. What are the last three digits? 187. In that 7 are subtracting. What is the remaining? 180. It is 7 multiple. No. Next, third option, 544. What is the units position? 4. 544 minus 4. 540. It is 7 multiple. No. Fourth option, 698. What is the end value? 8. 698. 698 minus 8. 690. It is 7 multiple. No. Then answer second option. Divisibility rule of 7. నార్మల్గా అయితే ఎక్కడ వినము, జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. అది ఎలా అంటే టోటల్ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నాం. వాట్ ఇస్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఇయర్? లాస్ట్ 3 డిజిట్స్ మాత్రమే వెరిఫికేషన్ చేశాను. నార్మల్గా అయితే టోటల్ నెంబర్ తీసుకొని అందులో లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ తీసేసి ఆ రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూని 7తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. దానికంటే 7th టేబుల్ నేర్చుకోవడం బెటర్. ఇయర్ హౌ మెనీ డిజిట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? ఆల్మోస్ట్ 8 digits are. In that 8 digits, last digit are subtracting. Okay, remaining value must be divisible by 7. అది టైం టేకెన్ ప్రాసెసర్. కాబట్టి ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఫస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్గా 7తో డివైడ్ అయ్యే నెంబర్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఈజీ అయిపోతుందా లేదా? 7th టేబుల్ కొంచెం ఈజీ కదా మనకి. నెక్స్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 70. Geeta salary is 12% more than which one? Ramu's salary. And Rahul's salary is 18% more than the Ramu's salary. Means Geeta is depends on Ramu and Rahul also depends on Ramu. Suppose Ramu's salary are 100%, then Geeta's salary 2%. Then Rahul's salary 8%. What is the question here? If the difference between Geeta and Rahul's salary is how much? 5,200. What is the total of all the three salaries? What is the first one? 100. Remaining 230. Total 330. 330 means 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. No. Second option. No. Third option. Yes. Fourth option. No. Then answer third option. Next 71. Area of a circle is 346.5 centimeter square and area of a sector is 1/5 of the area of a circle. Sector area is 1/5 of the area of a circle means circumference also, sector circumference also 1/5 of which one? Circular. 1/5 means it is 20%. 20% of 360 degrees is how much? 72 degrees. Okay, what is the circumference? Theta by, what is the LR value? L equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. If we know the theta value, we are get the same data or different data? Same data. Means L is the length of the arc. L is the length of the arc, that is 1/5 of which one? circumference value 2 pi r, 1/5 of which one? 2 pi r. Already we know the area of a circle. What is the area of a circle? Pi r square. Pi r square means 22 by 7 into r square. It is equal to 346.5. What is the double of 346.5? 692 plus 1. 693 by 2 or not? 7 how many? 11 how many times? 2 times. 11 how many times? 6 times. 3 times or not? Any other cancellations? No. 7 into 63, 441. Which one square? 21 square. 2 into 2, 4. Then r equal to which one? 21 by 2 or not? R equal to 21 by 2. And what is the question here? What is the perimeter of a sector? Perimeter of a sector means it is length of the arc and it is radius and it is also radius or not? Then perimeter it will be L plus which one? 2r or not? We required which one? L plus 2r. That is equal to 1/5 into 2 pi r. What is the 2 pi? 44 by 7 into r value is how much? 21 by 2. Then we are get the L value. 7 how many times? 3 times. 2 how many times? 22 times. 22 3s are 66 by 5. 66 by 5 means it is 13.2 or not? 13.2. And L plus 2r value 13.2 plus what is the r value? 21 by 2. 2r value 21 or not? What is the total answer? 34.2 or not? Which option? Fourth option or not? Next 72. A jar contains 40 liters of pure milk. If 4 liters of milk is taken out and replaced by water and this process is repeated n more times, then the quantity of milk in the final mixture is 29.16 liters. Then what is the value of n? Then what is the value of n? Every time out of 40 liters, how many liters are taken? 4 liters are taken. n more times are given or n? కీ ఒకసారి 3 ఉందా 4 ఉందో చూడండి. కీ 3నా 4? 3నా 3 or 4? 3నా? Out of 40 liters, how many liters are taken? 4 liters. Means 4 by 40. What is the fraction? 1 by 10. Means every time out of 10 parts, 1 part are taken or not? What is the remaining? 9 parts or not? Then we return 9 by 10. How many operations? N operations or only one? N operations. If it is only one operation, we return 9 by 10 power 1. It is n operations, we return 9 by 10 power n. That is equal to, what is the initial quantity? 40 liters. What is the final quantity? 29.16. This one we return 2916 by 4000. Okay. 4000. 4 how many times denominator? 1000 times. Numerator 4 how many times? 7, 2, 9. 729 which one power 3? 9. 1000. 10 power 3. This one we return 9 by 10 power 3 or power 3. Then n equal to how much? 3. Okay. Every time out of 40 liters, how many liters are taken? 10 liters. Means how much part are taken? Sorry, out of 40, every time how many liters are taken? 4 liters. How much fraction are taken? 1 by 10. Out of 10 parts, 1 part are taken. What is the remaining? 9 parts. 9 by 10 power n or not? It is not n more times, it is n times. N more times means we are getting 4. If it is n times, we are getting 3 or not? It is n times, not n more times. That is the difference. If it is n more times are written, answer 4. If it is n times, answer is 3 or not? Next question number 73. 3 pipes PQ are working together can fill the tank in 66 2/3% less time than pipe P working alone, 1 hour less than pipe Q working alone, and 50% of the time taken by pipe R working alone. In how much time pipe P alone will finish the worker? And here P plus Q plus R is depends on which one? P and also Q and also R. PQR time is 66 2/3% less than the which one? P timer. Suppose P time I taken 3x hours. 3x hours. What is the 3x? 2/3 of 3x. 2x or not? Out of 3x, 2x or less means what is the remaining? X or not? Less or more? Less. Next. And compare to Q, how many hours are less? 1 hour less. Already PQR X means Q value X plus 1 or X minus 1? X plus 1. Next PQR compared to R. Half time are taken or double time? Half time. Half time or X means full time? 2x or no? Yes or no? What is the 1 hour work of PQR? 1 by X. What is the 1 hour work of P? 1 by 3x. What is the 1 hour work of Q? 1 by X plus 1. What is the 1 hour work of R? 1 by 2x or no? Okay, left hand side 1 hour work of all the 3 pipes, right hand side 1 hour work of each pipe, or both are in equal or different? Equal. First to simplify, what is the right hand side? 1 by 3x, 1 by 2x. What is the LCM? 6x. It will become left hand side minus 1 by x minus 3x plus 2x. It is 5x or not? 5x by which one? Sorry, 5 by 6x. It is equal to 1 by x plus 1 or not? Okay. X and 6x. What is the LCM? 6x. X how many times? 6 times. 6 minus 5. 1. 1 by 6x. Then left hand side directly I written 1 by 6x. 1 by 6x. It is equal to how much? 1 by x plus 1 or not? Just a cross multiplication. X equal to how much? 6x equal to x plus 1. X equal to 1 by 5 or not? 1 by 6x equal to how much? 1 by x plus 1. Then 6x equal to x plus 1. X equal to 5x equal to 1. X equal to 1 by 5. But we required which one? 3x value or not? It is 3 by 5. Hours or minutes? Hours. 3/5 hour means how many minutes? 36 minutes or not? X equal to 1/5 hour. 1/5 means 12 minutes or not? 3x means 36 minutes or not? Next question number 74. Sin x equal to how much? 24 by 25 and a value in between 0 to 90. What is the question here? Tan a plus cot a. Sin a 24 by 25 means this is how much? 24 and this one are 25 or not? Obviously third side 5 or 7? 7. 7 square 49. 7. Next we required which one? Tan a plus cot a. Tan a means 24 by 7. Cot a 7 by 24 or not? What is the LCM? 168. Numerator 24 square plus 7 square or not? Means 625 or not? What is the answer? 625 by 168. It's 75. The cost price of A is half of that of which one? B. And the shopkeeper marks up each of the articles by 17.5% more than the which one? Their cost prices. If the shopkeeper gave 3 rupees discount and earns 16 2/3% profit on the whole, find the cost price of article A. A cost price is half of the which one? B cost price. Suppose B cost price we are consider 100%, then A cost price are 50% or not? These two are cost prices or selling price? Cost price. And their markup value is how much? 17.5% more or less? More. First one 17.5% of 50 or not? Means 50% of 17.5. 8.75 or not? 8. 75. After adding, we are get the market price is how much? 58.75%. Next, second one also how much percent are markup? 17.5%. 17.5% means 17.5% of 100 means plus 17.5. What is that second one? Market price 117.5%. And one more, if the shopkeeper gave 3 rupees discount, 3 rupees discount means what is the total market price? What is the total market price? 58 plus 117, 175 plus 1.25. Total it is 176.25%. In that how many rupees are discount is offered? 3 rupees. And here is how much percent are profit? 16.2 by 3% profit on the whole. 50 plus 100, 150. Total cost price is 150. In that how much value or profit? 16.2 by 3% profit. What is the 16.2 by 3%? 1/6 value. What is the 1/6 of 150? 25%. Means profit is how much? 25%. What is the original cost price? 150. Profit is how much? 25%. Selling price is 175%. It is also equal to selling price. It is also equal to market price minus discount value. What is the market price value? 176.25%. What is the discount value? 3 rupees. Minus 3 or plus 3? Minus 3. Left hand side selling price, right hand side market price minus discounter. What is the difference between 175 and 176.25? 1.25%. That is equal to how many rupees? 3 rupees, sir. But we required which one? Cost price of article A. How much percent we need? 50% value. Okay. 1.25. We return 5 by 4. 5 by 4. 5 by 4. This one we return 150 by which one? 1.25. 1.25 means we return 5 by 4 or not? 5 how many times? 30. 30 into 4. 120 or not? Our total selling price 175. Total second one 176.25. What is the difference? 1.25%. Value wise difference 3 rupees or not?